some stuff. About to head down to the meet right now, cuz. Yep, and this motherfucker cut. Hell yeah.
That was better. But that shit comes to the
She trying to hide back here.
She said,
¿Y los chivos? ¿Cuál?
What's up?
You see, you gotta fill me in, dog. You know this fucking new shit. Hashtag.
We're here. We ready. Hey, can you show the raffle?
See, I was gonna buy that one.
If you buy something, you enter a raffle to win this right here, the Buzz Ball. Make sure you come by and check it out. Buy something, enter the raffle. We up in here. It's going down. Should be a good meet. Walking out here with Diego Vlogs. Ooh, the Impala. then what we're missing right now is Chivo.
Yeah, we're pulling over the LBT.
They're going inside. LBT going inside.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
Sometimes I act my it's just two guys playing shit that they did in the studio. Niggas usually send their verses back to me and they be terrible, just like a 2-year-old. I love a dinner with some fine women when they start debating about who to go. And I'm like, go ahead, say it then. Who to go, who to go, who to
como las tierras fueran de riego, a veces no había cosecha. Gracias a Dios no faltaban los frijoles en la mesa. Pone contento, los números me confunden, porque soy analfabeto, pero con billetes verdes. Mi título es del maestro. Hoy traigo pan y divertirme. La pobreza se acabó. Sientes tomar aguardiente. Hoy tomo de lo mejor.
I'm done.
Chivo up in the motherfucking Diego.
Hey, I want to do like a countdown, like a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we're gonna flip it. Alright? So count to 10 seconds and then start fighting. Chivo! Atrás, güey, atrás. Alright. Y'all can start the countdown for 5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Yes!
We're in the building. Come on inside. Get it. You already know. Shout out Diego Blanco Vision.
Your timing was perfect.
You should put a camera on your head.
Come get your stuff. Remember, there's a raffle. Oh, look. Oh, she got Niner stuff. Oh, that's my shit. No. Might want to cavity search that guy. No, I'm just joking. There's food. There's food and everything out here, y'all. Live band start. We got Chivo up in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? It's cracking. Yeah, there's raffles over here. Come and buy some creations. Come and check them out. We got gangsters up in here too. Woo!
Si lo dije bien, pero if y'all trying to get a fucking boleto, cáiganle para allá para el río. ¿Qué más me faltó? Oh, should I say? Hey, but not even that. Pants Forever Creations está regalando un vaso allá. $5 a entry for the rifle. Primo, let him know.
You already know. Gracias a toda la gente que salieron a este grand opening de Rompiendo Event Center. Saludos a toda la gente. Hey, without you guys, we won't be nowhere. We'll be in the empty space only. So make sure you guys check out the booth. Las flores, la comida, Señor Barriga. We have Taco Mona. You already know on the side. Get your micheladas, get your chelas. Let's have a good time. Por Rompiendo, viejo. Let's go.
andamos para galar, viejo. Ahí está. Hey, rompiendo, ven, primo, ven. Hey, primos, once again, thank you for pulling up. La neta, aquí es donde se va a hacer el pinche desmadre. So, aquí vamos a tener el pinche grupazo sexy. Al rato vamos a tener un pinche stage acá, mamalón, arriba de las trocas y todo el pedo. So, se va a poner el pinche sexy el ambiente, ¿sí o no, primo?
Let him know. Once again, gracias for pulling up. It's gonna be a good time. I mean, hey, so the vision of this place is so it could be the spot where you guys can come out, pull up. If you guys got nothing to do, we're thinking about doing something on a Wednesday, on a Thursday. You tell me when you guys want to party.
Hold on. I work on a Wednesday or a Thursday or a Friday. You can't do that. But I'm down. Fuck it, let's do it. Let's run that shit. We party on a fucking Tuesday, party on a motherfucking Monday. What? Hold on. Too short. Hey, it's 3 different raffles.
All right. So I'll tell you guys the next event going on is gonna be Friday and Saturday. Okay, Friday and Saturday. Okay, so next Friday, Norteño Sax flyer coming out soon. We already got a confirmation from some of these grupos. Rezo Sax, Hermanos Padillas, Cuarto Norte, Conjunto Cuarto Norte. After that, we got Los Renovados de California gonna pull up here. Hey, March 16, Clave 602, with Troca de Baile. So, everybody, make sure you guys pull up, start registering your trucks. Troca de Baile is about to be a movie. You guys want to burn out? It's gonna be a good ass time to burn out. Yeah, después de eso, we got a lot more events, so make sure you guys follow Rompiendo, tag us, and let's have a good time. Hey, dile, primo. Hey, son 3 diferentes rifas, primo. ¿Cómo chingo con la rifa? Compren algo, ¿no? Pinche primo, 5 bolas. Por favor, apoyen acá a las cousins.
Andan rifando unos vasos, 3 different rifles. So, son unas flores de verdad, unas flores falsas y unos cuts. Flores falsas, pero sexy, primo. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how you say it. ¿Cómo se dice? Some forever flowers, you know. Forever flowers. Forever. As long as you keep it clean, they're gonna last you forever. Oh, shit. Hey, primos, motívense. Nomás no se acerquen tanto al calentón porque se pueden quemar ahí. Hey, vámonos. Ay, güey, no.
La pipolaba que vaya en Culiacán, hicieron una presa, algo dice como la capital, no se lo fueron llevar, los tres andaban bien bravos de más, me tuve que salir por acá, en la oficina me querían saludar, no me querían peinar, los jueves eran por ruina.
What up, fool?
Haga la bocina para allá, pues. Ánimo. Hey, pónganse las pilas, primo, porque aquí vamos a amanecer. Hasta la 1 de la mañana vamos a ver aquí. Mira, viejo. Hey, aprovechen ahorita a ponerse una pinche parranda sexy porque vamos a ver bien sexy ahorita. Hey, el encargado por ahí. Sí.